Hey guys, this is Aaron from Mainline Overland here. We're going to be talking about this cool second-gen Tacoma build that we've had in the shop for a couple weeks here. It's got some long travel goodies on here from Total Chaos that's really brought some new life back into this old Tacoma. Let's start at the front here where we got a 2-inch Total Chaos long travel kit here. King 2.5-inch shock in the front. Spec'd by Total Chaos to give us the proper amount of travel with their kit. Let's see. We've got a dual shock mount in there as well for future upgradability, limit straps, and all that cool stuff. This Tacoma also has pretty much every weldment that Total Chaos offers, and that includes the coil buckets here. You see the gussets. Includes the Cam Tab Gussets down on the bottom. You might not be able to get a good look at them, but they're there. And then the Spindle Gussets, which really help kind of support that spindle from bending when we're running these 35-inch tires. These tires are actually special too. They're not too common on the Tacomas here. Typically guys are doing 35 by 12.5s when they're doing 35s. This is more like a 10.5, 11-inch wide tire. Expect it to hopefully work a little better with the Tacoma, and its power constraints and all that stuff. It's actually a Goodyear MTR. It's a 275/80/17, so it's got a big sidewall profile there, nice and skinny. Wrapped around a set of Con 6s from Method here. And then if you actually can see in there, we got a cool little piece of equipment. It's a Willwood 6-piston brake kit. So this thing got a little extra stopping power to go along with all these heavy add-ons we got here. Moving to the back over here, we got another cool setup. King's 2.5-inch dual bypass shocks, accompanied by Total Chaos's shock hoop kit. We also have the Total Chaos spring under axle conversion with the D relief spring in there, and that's actually spec'd as the heavy duty one because this customer is going to be carrying quite a bit of weight on their Tacoma. They're planning on camping, going out west with it, and just having a good time. Let's see, that's pretty much all the meaningful upgrades we did on this. I know we're going to get questions, hey, what about these fenders here? This customer does have plans on upgrading to some McNeil fiberglass fenders to fit those 35s within the wheel well just a little bit better here. So we opted not to actually cut that 2 inches off of the fender line here. He is going to be going with some bumpers and some armor as well. So the front did get a little trimming just to get them by here, but we'll be doing a round 2 on this build shortly.